Okay, since we're not allowed to send zip files, this is a video of a video that I'm going to try and use YouTube with or something. Let me see.
Demonstrate how a supplier can mass attribute their items from within the Cisco Supplier Suite. From the dashboard, the supplier will select Item Management. Once the page loads, we'll go to the Mass Edit dropdown and select Product Attributes. From the Mass Edit page, they will select a business center. Once the business center is selected, all items that fall under that business center will be visible. The supplier then can do mass edits. They can select all items, or they can select specific items to update. Notice that the attribute filters, meaning the values that can be updated, can be selected from the drop-down list. They can do diet types, allergens, and claims, but they cannot do product attributes. This is because only grocery is selected. They would need to do an item group, an attribute group, in order to do product attributes, or as we sometimes refer to as special or unique product attributes. The reason is that diet types, allergens, and claims are universal values, whereas product attributes are specific to a specific attribute group. Now I will select the item group and attribute group so that I can see all of the values available to update. Now for the grocery center, seasoning, spices, and salt, pepper, I can see the product attributes. All of these values are up at the top to populate. I want to focus on product attributes, so I'm going to go ahead and select that, and that'll show just the product attributes for salt and pepper. Next, I'm going to select the items that I want to update. I'll then select values for those specific items. Once I've selected those, I will click Apply. Notice that only the values that I updated above have changed. These are visible in blue. Once the supplier does apply changes, if they want to revert those changes back to the original state, they can click Undo. The supplier also has the option of doing a combination. They can change multiple items using the tool up here, and they can also add individual changes. Once they've made all their changes, they would go down here to the bottom and do Submit. You'll see they receive a success message stating that they have successfully updated the attributes. Now I'm going to change from grocery to a non-food item. So we'll go to chemical. From the chemical page, you'll see that since it's a non-food item, you have to select all the way down to the attribute group. This is because diet types, allergens, and claims do not apply to non-food items. Once you've selected the attribute group, then you'll see all the values available. The same process, the supplier can select multiple to make changes, or they can do individually. They also have the ability to do undo. This concludes the video on how to mass edit attributes.